I'm going to start with some oil. So I added the mushrooms and I put some leeks in here. I don't feel like cutting up an onion. I left the gym and I said I'm going to come home and make this because I didn't want a salad. I have salads. I didn't want a salad. I really wanted a wrap. So I'm going to add some bell peppers, some colorful peppers, some green peppers, and then maybe some jalapeno to this and just let this cook. I have added all the vegetables that I'm going to put in this wrap. I think I did put too many leeks in here, but oh well. We're going to see how it tastes. Now, I'm also going to season it. You know, I love my garlic powder. I love my onion powder, my black pepper. I found this in my cabinet. I'm so happy. This is my Mrs. Dash, and I might throw some crushed red peppers in there just for a little kick. And then once it's all cooked and seasoned, I'm going to throw some vegan cheese on it and put it in the wrap, baby. We're going to see what this going to taste like. And it's all ready. I'm going to throw some vegan cheese on there and then just let it simmer or let it melt. And then I'm going to throw it in this. Now, I don't do well with wraps. Oh, that's ripped. I don't do well with wraps, right? My cousin, she could make a wrap like the ones that come out the store. Me, we're going to see how this turn out. I might end up eating it with a knife and a fork. Cheese is on there. Now let me cover it up. So I threw some of this on there. And now it's time for part of this. Ooh, I don't know how this is going to taste. And I did my best with rolling it. Okay. I said I did my best, right? I did my best. That is my best. And this is a flatbread, but man, it looks delicious, doesn't it? So I think it was vegan until I put this on there. It was vegan until I used this. It's all good. Y'all, this is so good. Oh my gosh. And I don't normally like when I season stuff. I had to put some Himalayan sea salt on there. Some pink Himalayan sea salt, but it's hot. Yo, these flavors are so good. I did throw some red crushed peppers on there too for a little kick.